Hey guys, what's going on? It is Saul over at SUPP, bringing you another clean snacking video. Today, I'll be teaching you how to make an easy, tasty protein dip with just 3 ingredients. Probably start off first of all by saying Happy New Year, and yeah, I am aware that I have been missing in action for a few weeks now, but there's a good reason for that. I've been creating some new content for you guys, so go ahead and look out for a announcement video when it comes to that. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. For this video, it's all about finding different ways to hit your protein mark while keeping things flavorful. Because let's be honest, chicken and rice all the time is no fun. This one, like several previous videos, is quick and easy with only 3 ingredients required to make it. Let's go ahead and get started. We're in January, and you know, spring is going to start approaching us soon, with summer soon to follow. So it'll start being the appropriate time for weekends out in the backyard when you're not deployed or if you're a retired veteran. This means dominating at the grill, cracking open a few cold ones, and having something to snack on until the main course is ready. Like I mentioned in SUPP Noble Whole Food Military Nutrition at Home, clean eating doesn't have to be boring. You don't have to be a fucking vegan, alright? You can still enjoy things you like without significantly altering your lifestyle. The main thing is to keep the muscle packed on and the waistline decent looking so you can maintain being fighting fit. So when it comes to snacking, you can still make sure you get your protein hit, some healthy fats, minerals, and a good boost of vitamins without sacrificing indulging your taste buds. So there's a quick, easy, nutrient-packed dip that requires only 3 ingredients. You can serve it up with fruit or vegetables or eat it on its own. Enjoy. Now this makes enough leftovers your kids will fight you for. Prep time is 3 minutes, cook time is 0, for a total time of about 5 minutes. So those extra 2 minutes are basically the time it takes you to mix this together. Items needed are a bowl, a spoon, a spatula, or a whisk. Take your pick. Alright. For the ingredients, you need 1 cup of Greek yogurt, plain, ½ cup of peanut butter. Optionally, if peanut butter isn't your thing, try almond butter. I've got a recipe on how to make your own over at the SUPP blog. You can go ahead and check that out. The link is in the description below. Because, you know, you don't have to put a ding in your wallet. I don't know why, but somehow, you know, almond butter is the equivalent of your first fucking born when it comes to costs. And the last ingredient is 1 to 3 tablespoons of honey. Now, for those of you who have bought the guides, do you remember Chapter 3 in SUPP Noble Whole Food Military Nutrition at Home? If you do, yeah, that comes in handy here. If you haven't, go ahead and pick your copy up over at the SUPP website. The link is in the description below and up on the screen. Now for the directions, step 1, throw all your ingredients into a bowl. Step 2, mix with your spoon, your spatula, or your whisk. And step 3, that's it, you're done. Now stupidly easy, right? There's a couple things to mention though. If you read either SUPP Noble Whole Food Military Nutrition on the go or SUPP Noble Whole Food Military Nutrition at Home, you'll understand why I suggest substituting with almond butter. Now, almonds are packed with various nutrients and minerals, so you're killing 2 birds with 1 stone here, eating something you enjoy and hitting your daily nutrient uptake. You can change the consistency of this dip by altering how much nut butter you add. The more you use, the richer this gets, and vice versa. Try pairing this dip with some sliced apples or celery, and you'll also understand why I recommend this as well if you read either of my nutrition guides. Personally, I like it with sliced apples and a bottle of cider, you know, for those nice wind down times. And that's about it. So like I said, I've got some new content coming your way. Go ahead and look out for the announcement video on that. And that's it, kids. School's out. If you like this video, share it, subscribe, and comment below. If you really like this video, but you don't have the SUPP guides yet, go ahead and buy them over at the SUPP website. The link is in the description below and up on the screen. They cost less than the shirt on your back, but unlike that shirt, the knowledge gained lasts a lifetime. Now, if you've already bought the guides, hey, thanks, then go ahead and check out the other gear in my shop. From nutrition supplements to apparel, you can pick up some whey protein for your next workout, new threads for that sleeve splitting arms day, or something else that'll help you remember that when it comes to fueling and training your body, once you learn how to, where you are matters less. And every item, the material, color, style, ingredients, and quality are all handpicked by me, so if I won't wear it, eat it, drink it, or read it, I will not sell it to you. It's that simple. If you go ahead and get the guides, you'll discover recipes with nutritional breakdown in each of the nutrition guides to make things nice and easy. And that's available under the snacks chapters. And previews of the chapters are available in the shop. With the workout guides, you'll get in-depth customizable workout plans with breakdowns of how to effectively and efficiently train your muscles no matter where you are. And all guides teach you how to eliminate worries or concerns about getting the nutrition and strength and conditioning you need to stay fighting fit for when you're deployed or at home. And that's it, guys. Drop by next time for another great video to add to your workout and nutrition arsenal. And most importantly, stop doing guesswork. Start making the necessities of your life easier. Because if you know how to fuel and train your body, where you are matters less. That's it from me. Have a great week, weekend, whichever. Peace.